make sure you give us a shout out down in the comments down below. And let's see, I've got some kind of cool little, is it this one? Oh, there we go. There we go. Make sure you hit that like and the subscribe button with that notification bell so that you are notified when we go live. This is going to be an extremely awesome time to be joining with us. I am going to do a small account challenge starting with our minimum $2,500. That means only 5 contracts across the E-minis minus NASDAQ. Now, you guys who've been following me for a long time know NASDAQ is my bread and butter. I like the NASDAQ, but you'll notice what's my center screen right now, RTY. Why? Because NQ is $1,000 per contract on margins intraday. So I would need $5,000 in order to trade 5 contracts on NQ. Now, it's not just 5 contracts. If you guys are new with this,
NASDAQ on the 5.
We're trading up to 5 contracts. We have our toe on the water is a 1, a quarter position is a 2, a half position is going to be a 3, full position for me here is going to be a 4, starting out with this small account, and 5 for a full plus, meaning I've got, you know, that AAA rating, A plus trade setup, everything going our direction, etc., etc. Now, we've got our 5 trades loaded up. If you are, again, for the new folks, we have this little beast right here. You need to be very familiar with one of these. If you haven't printed one out yet, head on over to our Discord channel chat, and we are tracking our trades with our paper trade tracker here. And I've got a new one over here. I'm a little superstitious, but one of our awesome members, Millionaire, sent me this amazing one over here on the left. So I'm going to try to incorporate it and use it a bit. And yeah, you know what? I'll just start it out today. You know, we're starting off a whole lot of new things. We're going to do this account challenge. You know, we'll be tracking the stats from end to end. I'm going to show you guys the full performance reports and all that kind of good stuff. Now, Ross Cameron, you guys might know who he is. If you don't, go look up Warrior Trading. Probably one of the, at least the YouTube presence, largest day trading streamers that is out there. He is starting a small account challenge today as well. And, you know, there's a lot of differences with all that. We'll go over that here tonight in the recap. We are still about 15 minutes away from the open here. So I'm going to settle in, kind of get my coffee going. I'm going to start looking up at my high time frames. I'll be flipping through screens here.
Harmonic
got a few more minutes here. I'm going to kind of walk you through top left-hand corner. This is going to be my tide and wave big pictures up here for all of them. So this is kind of where I make my decision on what instrument from the highest time frame that I will be executing on. And then we've got several ways to do this, and I kind of want to get you guys feedback on how you guys think that I should do this. My what's the word? My thought process, I guess my default is, let me show you in the individual screens per instrument. So for instance, this will be RTY. So as I'm executing on RTY, you'll see this screen. I'll pop up here to see if I'm pressing the right one. Yep, number 8. So this will be the YM right here. All of these are YM charts. Over here to the right, that's going to be ES. And of course down at the bottom, my favorite NQ that I won't be able to get to use very much here right now. So individuals, or I did create, hopefully this works, show all. Here we go. So we have this screen as well. I don't know how clear this is going to come through for you guys, but this will show all instruments simultaneously. Sometimes I am using information, for instance, off of the ES. My drawing tool isn't working quite right there. Off of the ES, especially around the MACV reading. Like right now, I am clearly going to be looking to the long side here around the open, at least for the time being. NQ, again, pretty much we got 3 reads on green, 1 on red on the Dow over here. But again, I will use multiple instruments and multi-time frame confluence to get our filter. And then after our filter, if you again are new with us, we have a very simple process. After I have made the decision off of our primary filter, then I'm going to be executing off of one of the 2 entry charts in this case. And sometimes there are 3 depending on what your chart layout is. If you've got more room for additional algo bars, etc., good on you. All right. If you guys have questions, pop them down there in the comments. I'm sure I'm going to be missing something. This first day into the stream thing.
Double
it's been
delta
quite
ES
a while.
on the one.
I used to do this every day about 3 years ago or so, and of course now I've got 3 kids and a baby on the way. We're super excited about a new little one going to be joining us in November. So super excited and very proud daddy over here. And so anyhow, enough about me. I am babbling on and on. Still got about 12 minutes here till the open. So I'm going to kind of settle in here for a minute and stir the coffee. You guys can stare at the charts here a little bit. And yeah, I'll probably be focused in here on the RTY. Looking over at the screen there, it looks a little bit whack. So we'll try this one. Try to keep myself out of the way here so you guys can see each of the screens as I'm shifting between instruments. I will try to do some commentation, but again, right now, I really want to focus on competition. I got to beat Ross. You know, it's not just coming out here and going, hey, here's what we're doing. You know, we really kind of want to show off and give it our best go against one of the biggest names on YouTube, quite frankly. And you know, look, if you know, I got nothing necessarily bad to say about Ross and his crew over there at Warrior. I just think that, you know, people need to know that if you want to trade futures and you would like to try something on the algorithmic side of the house in a you know, video game style format for executions, a little bit less pressure of, you know, like right now, I'm sure Ross is like panicking. He's, you know, minutes away from the open, and he's gotta check his filters. He's got to, you know, find a stock and all that kind of stuff. There, all that kind of thing that entails trading with stocks. It just I've traded those long time ago. Again, I've been trading for 15 plus years, and early in my career, you know, I did like everybody else. I remember those days of building a bull list, a bear list, a gap list, and then, you know, sprinting up to the morning open, looking to see if there's any news everywhere, and okay, here comes the open. There's just a stress ball as the open comes. Again, our style of trading, a lot more kind of laid back. We've only got 7 or 8 instruments total that we'll be looking at, and in a case like where we have here, I am focused in on the E-minis, which gives us 4 primary instruments to be looking at. When we find our setups, we press the button, we hit our targets, we're in and we're out, and we are on our way. Anyhow, again, I am babbling on and on. Just want to kind of give a little intro if you are new with us. If you guys got questions, head on over to our Discord chat. On the left-hand side of that Discord, you're going to see a whole lot of things that can get you directed to the right location. I think that should be pointing to our Discord. Yeah, right there. So right down there into the Discord, and the link is down in the description below, and we'll be glad to have you there in the crew. You can go download our 2-week free trial. See, do I have a screen for that? There we go. Yeah, so download the 2-week free trial. There's 3 steps over there on the left. Join the chat, install the AlgoBox Pro trial, and then start learning with the training library. All of those things are free to get you going, and again, we'll welcome you to the crew. All right, we can get that coffee going, then let's jam. 9 minutes till the open.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Long. Look for a long. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see. Oh, I think I have a smaller one of those. Undo that one. So first day in here, we'll get a few things ironed out here as we progress through our streams. We'll be out here streaming daily here in this little small account challenge and competition.
Delta cell building.
Alright, here's some delta action kicking in here. Like the NQ.
Double delta NQ on the 2.
Order filled.
There we go. This is my small banner. I think that's the, no, it's gonna be the whole thing. Okay, I don't know how to add my banner to the bottom of this, so okay. For this first stream, we'll not worry about that, and we'll just do it like this. So each one, and then I'll figure out how to add the little banner across the bottom for some of our next streams. About 8 minutes till the open here. I see YM given a blue dot, but it is solid red on the histogram up there, so not too keen on taking this one, but this does look like a nice potential right here. We're after double king timing. That means we got a double cross somewhere. RTY.
DCDM
right,
RTY on the 2.
RTY. I'm going to measure it out. Bummer. All right, so we're going to press 8 here, and we're going to close. Here, that lands us up top there, 23:10. We got 5 minutes till the open. So as the open comes, if I hear the buyers on the tape come straight through here, I know exactly where I'm targeting, right up here. Set my quantity, I think we'll go for a 2. Actually, now I need to go on my 1s because we are on this small account challenge here. Bit of a shift, changing to the small account stuff, but
Order filled.
all right, coming up on 4 minutes to the open. RTY is coming into a king timing. I still like that YM with, we got that blue dot up there.
Harmonic NQ on the 2. Upper bands touch NQ on the 24. Double delta NQ on the 9. Double delta NQ on the 2.
You know, I need to set all my ATM strategies here. Needed to create those right here. Let's see. Can't do my usual views. I'm gonna need to create some new ATMs. These are set to 2. Alright, so we're gonna run naked on these today, and I'll get those fixed up for the next stream. Or hopefully, who knows? Maybe I make enough today where. No, actually we won't. Yeah, we'll need to be doing singles for a few days, I bet. Alright, so I'm hearing sellers. I don't hear buyers. Here we go. Here comes the open.
Harmonic EM on the 2.
Okay, on that YM, I now see we got a red cipher up there, so keeping an eye up there on the Dow.
NASDAQ on the 2s.
Okay, can't do the NASDAQ.
Harmonic EM on the 3.
So this double cross is broken through the bottom here. I'm going to draw a horizontal here, so remember where this is. F6.
Fib dot.
Pressing it right there.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 24.
Fib dot.
Double delta dot AY on the 2. Double delta NQ on the harmonic ES on the 1.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 5s.
Fib dot RTY on the RTY on the 20Y on the 2.
I'm gonna let this shake out a little bit. Again, I've got small
Fib
account
dot
right now.
RTY
Normally I
on
would
the
be
4.
taking a little swing at this. Little
Harmonic
stab,
EM on the 2. Harmonic EM on the 3.
Gotta be
DCDMES on the 1 NQ on the 2.
$500 account up to
Harmonic
something that we can
ES
work
on the
with.
delta EM on double delta RTY on the 2.
Breakdown there off of the open. So
Harmonic
wait
EM
and
on
see.
RTY on the 20 and double delta harmonic EM on the 3.
Histogram is pretty mixed here on RTY.
Delta Vi building.
ES
Upper bands
is
touch on the
still
2 on the
technically
24.
green, but again red across the board on YM. So let's see how
Fib dot NQ on the 2.
first few minutes
Upper
here.
bands touch
Fib dot.
NQ
There's a
on the
nice
24.
double dot, red dot. Wish I would have
Fib
grabbed
dot
that. That's
NQ on the
super
2.
fast there. All right, I need to stop
Fib dot.
talking.
Upper
NASDAQ
bands
And
on
I'm
the
gonna start
2s.
executing here.
Delta Vi.
Harmonic RTY on the 2. Double delta RTY on the 2. Touch NQ on the 20. Double delta
king
NQ
timing.
on the 2. Alpha delta RTY on the 4. Touch NQ on the 24. Double delta NQ on the 24.
Fib dot.
Short.
Okay, MACV is red. Solid red now. We're past the gray. That's enough on the histogram to
Fib
be
dot RTY on the 2.
giving me the
Upper
short
bands
sign.
touch EM on the 24.
About a minute past the
Lower bands
open
touch
here.
RTY on the
Delta Vi
24.
Wait for a setup. We got king timing here.
Double delta EM on the 2. Lower bands touch EM on the 24.
Okay, that means we got a
Harmonic
double
pattern.
cross somewhere. Okay, we got a
NASDAQ
double
on the
cross
twos.
coming in on the Dow. I'm gonna take a stab at the Dow.
Upper
Two
bands
contracts
touch double delta EM on the 3.
short
Fib
on
dot.
the Dow.
NASDAQ on the 2s.
How do I get up to
Harmonic
that
pattern.
screen? Press 8.
NASDAQ on the 5s.
All right, here we go.
Lower
dot.
bands touch
NASDAQ
RTY
on
on
the
the
2.
24.
Double cross, double move. I need to pull this down.
Double delta
F8.
RTY touch EM on the 22 on the 2.
Wow, this is gonna be has a potential for quite a big one here. All the way down. The double cross there. Let's see.
Fib dot. Fib dot. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Alpha Omega
Short.
down RTY on the
Fib
4.
dot.
Upper bands
Nasdaq.
touch and
Fib
Q on the
dot.
20.
Harmonic
Okay, got a
pattern.
green dot here.
Nasdaq
Need that
on
to
the way.
crack.
Delta cell building.
Upper bands touch NY on the 220. Harmonic NQ on the 2. Lower bands touch RTY on the 24.
Fib dot.
Order
Nasdaq.
filled.
Fib dot.
There she
Nasdaq
goes, cracked
on
to
the
the
twos.
green. I'm going to add to that position. I'm now in a full position.
Lower bands
Order.
touch
That
RTY
down
on the
all the way
24.
to gold. Let's go.
Fib dot. Nasdaq
Got the
on
gold
the twos.
line down here.
Fib dot ES
Tops
on
behind
the
the
crosses.
crosses.
Touching
Fib
dot
Fib
21
dot.
on the 5.
Nasdaq on the fives.
Look
Lower
at that
bands
nice little
touch
spot down there.
RTY on
That
the
will be the
24.
back
Nasdaq
is that a
on the
shark?
twos.
Looks like a
Fib
shark.
dot.
Yep, back of a
Nasdaq
shark.
on the twos.
Nice big fin back here. See if we can get that full
Fib
drop
dot
here.
RTY on the 2. Fib
I'll
dot
squeeze my
RTY
stops
on
in
the 2.
behind the two crosses here, just in case we come ripping all the way back.
Harmonic EM on the lower
Fib
bands
dot.
touch
Nasdaq
RTY on the
on the
22.
fives.
Finger NQ on the
And I'm
24.
going to draw a white cross here. White line, F6. Need to come back. There is
dot.
a double cross
Nasdaq
there. We'll
on the
remember
twos.
RTY on the 2.
with that right there.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos. Fib
Lower
dot.
bands
one of them
touch
out,
Nasdaq
just
on
RTY on the
in case we
harmonic
run.
pattern.
24.
Nasdaq on the twos.
Oh,
Fib
blue
dot
dot.
NQ on the 2.
I'm take one off right here. We break, I'll add it back.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq.
Order submitted.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the MACD.
Yikes. Headshot.
2 finger
Take
NQ
one
on
off
the
right here.
24. Lower bands
Fib
touch
dot.
RTY on
Nasdaq
the
on the
24.
twos.
Order filled. Order filled.
That cracks, that's going to help us. Give me a crack. Crack it, alright. I'm getting
Order.
short. We got some PRZ targets down below. There we go. Push it.
2 finger NQ
Don't
on
you
the
stop
24.
right there.
Fib dot
Put
NQ
one
on the
out for a
5.
run. And if I need to take some off here, there we go. Red dot. Alright,
Lower
I'm
bands
going
touch
full
harmonic
here. I am
pattern.
full
Nasdaq
5.
harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
That's all the juice I got. I can't add any more.
Double delta EM on the 2. Lower
On my
bands
small
touch
account challenge.
RTY
Here
on
we
the
go.
24.
Get there.
Harmonic
Target
NQ on the
Thank
2.
you.
Target
I'll take
filled.
it. Appreciate that. All right, now I don't know where this is going to go. We're at the back of a shark
Fib
here.
dot RTY on the 2.
Wait
dot.
for
Target.
a green or a blue of any sort.
Fib dot NQ
Order.
on the 5. Fib dot
Fib
NQ
dot.
on the 2.
Delta Vi building.
There's a double. There's a double. All right, I'll take it right there.
Fib
Very
dot E on the
good.
two.
Oh man, what a beautiful start. What a beautiful start. Let me see if I got my cool little. Here we go.
Fib dot NQ on the 2.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
Fib dot RTY on the
Do I
4.
have my cool little target thing? Where's my targeter?
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
Here it is. Oh, bringing back some memories right here.
Fib dot EM on the 2.
Alrighty then. That was a beauty. And I'm a beast.
Harmonic pattern. Fib dot. Nasdaq. Fib dot. Nasdaq.
All right, we're
on the
getting some
fives.
good drop here. We've got
Harmonic pattern.
Order.
Nasdaq on the twos.
break of that. We are at the back
Fib
of a
dot.
green shark
Nasdaq.
here.
Harmonic
NQ on
pattern.
the 5.
Nasdaq on the twos.
Harmonic 2 finger on the 2. RTY on the 24.
What's our time? We're 3 minutes.
Harmonic
Until
RTY on the
940. Oftentimes between 940 and 950, we can see a big shift and a turn.
2. Harmonic
Gotta be
NQ
aware of
harmonic
that.
RTY on the 2. Lower bands touch EM on the 24. RTY on
One
the
or two
24.
trades. No, I think it's just one.
Fib
It's
dot.
first trade this morning.
Nasdaq on the twos.
All right, coming into got Doubles there. Not gonna go against
Harmonic pattern.
Order fill.
in the situation where we're at right now. Small account challenge.
Double delta NQ on the 2.
Got to get the, got to be pulling the trigger on the guarantees.
Order.
Fib.RTY on the 2.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Harmonic ES on the 1.
Okay, looking at RTY, looking at YM. ES is just now kind of started to shift to the red. The ES did not take that big drop like RTY and YM did. Both YM and RTY
Double
both taking
delta
quite
E on the 2.
Reverse.
Fib
a
dot.
big jump here.
building.
Or a big dump
Harmonic.
here. Okay, we got a blue
Lower
dot coming in on
bands touch
RTY, so
RTY on
normally
the
I would kind of
24.
toe in the water here. It's right in front of a king.
Divergence of
I would
RTY
normally
on
kind
the
of
8.
get a little
Fib
bit
dot.
long right here.
Nasdaq on the 2s.
In small
Alpha
account
Omega
challenge
E
though,
on the
going
3.
against MACV,
Fib.E
not
on the
something I'm going to
harmonic
do.
NQ on the
Small
2.
account
Fib-
challenge. Hope everybody notes that. Any other time, normally I'm going to toe in the water on this. It's basically a double dot with a power dot right on the king.
Harmonic
So make a
pattern.
note of this
Order filled.
at this spot. Looks like we're potentially cracking through here. Let's see. Last double delta was way back
Fib
here.
dot.
Those didn't
Nasdaq.
impact. So
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq
still got
on
more.
the 2s.
There's a red. Let's see how that goes here.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 5s.
Harmonic NQ on the 5. Lower bands touch
Order
EM on the
filled.
24. Harmonic
Fib
NQ
dot.
on the 2.
Feels like this
Nasdaq
could be
on the
a
fives.
spot of that turn, but we've got to be a little bit more careful than just swinging at it.
Fib dot. Harmonic
I would
pattern.
want to see this
Nasdaq
shift at
on the tide.
least
Fib dot.
at least
Nasdaq
one
on
piece
the
of green
MACD.
there before I can take a swing at that. So we'll leave it be. Okay, we just got a delta shift on the
Double
YM.
delta EM on the 2.
Harmonic pattern.
How do I
Nasdaq
get to the
on the
YM?
2s.
8. I
Lower
gotta use
bands
all these
touch
keys.
RTY
Okay.
on the 24.
So you see this delta
Two
shift?
finger
We've been
NQ on the
red. Boom.
24.
First big green. And what's our time? 9:40. Okay, so between 9:40 and 9:50,
Harmonic
oftentimes we will
pattern.
get that little shift enough to kind of give us something to look at.
Fib dot.
Let's look.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Order.
Green shift, MACV still solid red.
Double delta ES on the
So,
1.
but this could be the
Fib
beginning.
dot. Nasdaq on the
Let's
2s.
see.
Harmonic NQ on the 24. Harmonic NQ on the 5. Fib.RTY on the 2.
Fib dot. Nasdaq. Fib dot.
Order
Nasdaq
filled.
on the 2s. Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s. Fib dot.
Lower bands touch
Nasdaq
RTY
on the
on
2s.
the 24.
Okay, we got a green dot. I'm hearing buyers. I'm gonna dip my toe in the water long here. I'm so used to hitting the
RTY on
button
the
2
2.
times.
Order
Holy
Harmonic
shnikes, I
NQ
gotta
on the
take one of
2.
these off.
Fib.EM on the 2.
Yeah. Did not want to
Harmonic
get
pattern.
in 3.
Nasdaq on the 2s. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 5s.
Fib.EM on the 2. Fib.NQ
Fib
on
dot.
the 9.
target fill.
Harmonic
Okay, there's
pattern.
another green
Nasdaq
dot.
on the
Okay,
2s.
so now
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
think about this. Only wanted to get 2 before.
Fib dot.
Inside
Nasdaq
our little
on the
shark
2s.
here, got a big fat
Fib
red
dot.
up here.
Nasdaq on the 5s.
Harmonic
Fib dot.
NQ on the 2.
Nasdaq on the 5s.
Fib.NQ
Got
on the
that
2.
green dot coming in on the MACV, but
Lower
it's
bands
not
touch
green
EM on the
yet.
24. Fib.RTY on the 2.
Finger over the close in case this thing starts to die. We got double dots there. We got the green shift. Gotta white cross. Normally I would add right here. You guys know my drill. I'm not going to add right now. I already kind of screwed up. I don't know how I got 3 on that.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Blame my mouse. I swear I only clicked twice.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Fib.NQ on the 2. Double delta RTY on the 2.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 5s.
Harmonic.NQ on the 2. Harmonic NQ on the 5.
Long. Look for a long.
Take some off here. I'm gonna take one off of the high of the cross
Fib.NQ on
here.
the 2.
Fib dot. NASDAQ. Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the 5s.
Got a second.
Lower
That
bands
green
touch
there.
harmonic NQ on the 2.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 5s.
Fib.RTY on the 2.
RTY's popping some greens.
Harmonic NQ on the 5.
Just heard the first set of sellers.
Target filled.
All right, we'll take
Fib
target
dot.
1. Got my
NASDAQ
finger over
on
the
the
close.
two.
Now I just
NQ
want to
on the
hold
2.
for a red. Anything that gives me a red. I'm going to push this out and see if I can hold it till I get a red signal of some sort. MACV turning green for me. Okay,
Fib.NQ
that's
on the
good.
2.
Inside the shark, you know what? Let's put this inside the top of the shark. Target 1 on a big shark off of
Lower band
5s. That would be a
NQ
nice
on the
juicy
24.
target up there.
Lower bands touch EM on the 24.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s. Fib dot. Fib
Okay.
dot. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Doing a little. A little beehive.
Delta buy building.
Fib dot.
Fib.RTY
NASDAQ
on the
on the
2.
2s.
Coming into that
Fib
red
dot.
spot.
NASDAQ on the 2s.
Let's see if I can hold it till the king. I'm gonna hold it till we get to king
Harmonic
timing.
pattern.
I got my
NASDAQ
finger
on
over
the
the close.
NQ on the 24.
Get into king, I'll close her up.
Double delta
All right, we're on
NQ on the
king.
2.
Oh man, okay. Against MACV histogram, but it turned. It was a nice setup right there. We shifted green. We had the indication here. I don't know why I can't draw on this. It's because it's always on top. Let me take always on top off so I can draw on it.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Green shift, double dot, and almost a headshot in there. That cross would have been a spot where I would add 1 or 2 contracts if I'm in a
Long.
full-size position.
Fib.
All right, so we are, it's 2 really big trades right off the bat here, so we need to be concerned and aware of cadence. What's our time? 9:56, no, what's our time?
Lower
Fib
bands
dot.
touch
NASDAQ
9:46
on the
here.
24.
Target.
So we still got 15 minutes till 10.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Fib dot.
We
NASDAQ
got a
on the
red
2s.
dot here after the king. We need more than that.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 24.
Harmonic.
Long. Look for a long.
RTY is also kind of shifted to, at least briefly, into green, but histogram is still very solid red.
Fib dot.
Harmonic RTY on the 2.
Okay, we've got a harmonic about to show up here.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Harmonic RTY on the 2.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the.
Where'd it go? Did it break? So the harmonic pattern broke. Not going to be a harmonic right there. RTY is giving me, okay, I'm getting RTY here in just a moment. Look at this.
Double delta NQ on the 5.
We are at the
Double
back.
delta RTY on
Okay,
the 2.
yikes, got a green dot. And then you see the break of that green dot. And we'll dabble here for trade 3. I like it, double king timing.
Double delta
I'm gonna dip my toe in the water here.
Alpha Omega down RTY on the
Good
4.
contract. Okay, I have no stops on this because I have no ATM. So we'll be exiting manually. I'm gonna take one off right here.
Nasdaq on the 2s.
All right, and let's see if we can hold some.
J hook long RTY on the 2.
Order filled.
Fib dot.
My stop
Nasdaq
will be
on
back.
the 5s.
Back here is a multi-harmonic here. And double king timing, and look at that big delta, right? So again, big delta shift into this. But we could take off here. If we take off here, I gotta close her up. Ooh.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Okay, I'm gonna add to position here on a cross. If we break above that cross, I will close it out.
Order submit. Order submit.
Target filled.
Order filled.
Go ahead and put some stops here, actually. 1, maybe 2. Put it right behind the cross here. Again, not going to risk a whole lot here. Trade 3. Did pretty good. Pretty solid 2 trades here right off the bat. I don't want to risk too much here.
Harmonic pattern.
On trade
Nasdaq
3.
on the 2s.
Pull it right up in there.
Fib dot. Nasdaq
There we go,
on the
red
2s.
dot. Oh, I want to add. Okay, I'm going to add to position. Little risky here. Got my finger over the close for sure. That is now a red headshot. After double crosses, break of the green
Order
plus
cancel.
delta.
Enigma short on the
I
NQ.
I would
Nasdaq
like to,
on
you
the
know,
5s.
give it a shot here.
Order. Order.
All right, I'm going to take one off right there. Like a good little move. Okay. Still got 2 back. That's a good spot.
Fib.EM on the 8.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
The, come on, go red for me.
Fib.RTY on the 2.
Here we go. I
Fib dot
heard
NQ
one
on the
drop of
2.
sellers.
On the
I got
5s.
a green dot right there. I will exit right there on the 5s. I got a green dot right there, taking off 1. Now
Fib
it's
dot
just see
NQ
if I
on
can
the 2.
hold until I get an exit here.
Harmonic EM on the 2. Fib.EM on the 24.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Oh, there we go. I'm hearing sellers. I'm gonna add to position.
Order.
Not gonna risk that much though. Gonna pull it back here. Push to the bottom there. And if it touches that bottom right there, there could be a big significant break. You see that PRZ target down there? That would be fantastic if we just get a nice, solid just break. That would be awesome. Break me right there. Let's go. Ooh, okay, we got a
Fib.NQRTY on the
cross.
2.
I'm gonna take one off right there. It could pop right there.
Order filled.
If we break that
Harmonic
bottom,
pattern.
and if I
Nasdaq
hear
on the 2s.
sellers, I may add back,
Order.
but I'm gonna have to hear sellers. My entry is very,
Harmonic
very
NQ
close
on the
here.
2.
Is the average on it.
Delta
If we
buy
hear
building.
sellers, I want to hear sellers come in hard. I'm gonna add to it.
Order. Order filled.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Okay.
Double delta RTY on the 2.
Time is it? It is 7 minutes till 10.
Short.
Let me hear
Look
sellers.
for a short.
Come on.
Order filled.
Nope, I don't hear sellers. Can't add to it.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
There we go. I hear a couple. Let me hear a double. I need to hear more than that. Need to hear aggressive. I see no delta here at all.
Fib
Nobody's
dot
mashing
NQ
the
on
buttons
2.
here. No stops getting run.
Order
There we
filled.
go.
Fib dot.
Let me hear
Nasdaq
some
on the 5s.
aggressiveness. I don't hear any aggression.
Divergence up RTY on the 8.
There we go.
Harmonic
And I'll
NQ
close it up
on the
right
2.
there. Nice little delta pop. Okay. Very nice. Trade 3.
Divergence up RTY on the 2.
Not too
Order
bad.
filled.
Not too bad.
Order
Harmonic
filled.
pattern. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
All right, we got a large king timing. See that timing bar? There's 2 timings coming up.
Harmonic NQ on the
Would be a
2.
good spot for something right here. I'd love to see a double delta first. Okay, coming into
Target.
now MACV back
Fib
full
dot.
red.
Nasdaq on the 2s.
YM,
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
yes
Fib dot.
is red
Target
now.
filled.
Fib dot NQ on the 2.
Harmonic
Order
pattern. Nasdaq on the
Order
2s.
filled.
See if we get a setup
Harmonic
here
pattern.
coming
Double
into
Nasdaq
delta
on the
double
2s.
RTY on the
timing.
2. Harmonic EM on the 2. Double delta NQ on the 2.
Pushing up. Okay. Here comes the king. Let's see if something shows up there. Nothing showed up here. Oh, double delta. Okay, ready up. Ready up. Double delta. Double delta and a king. Oh, come on, baby. Just give me anything. Come
Fib
on.
dot.
Anything.
Nasdaq on the 2s. Harmonic pattern.
Just
Nasdaq
give me a
on the
reason.
2s. Harmonic
It's a
pattern.
Delta
Nasdaq
King.
on the 2s.
Delta cell building.
Oh, yes. Pink dot.
Harmonic EM on the
Delta.
2.
Filled.
King timing.
filled.
Power dot. Yeah. All right,
Double
half
delta
position in. Let's
RTY
see.
on the 2.
Order.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the
Algo
2s.
and down RTY on the 4.
Order.
Lock me a stop in here in case she goes
Harmonic
quick.
NQ on the 2.
Yeah, I'm not risking much at all, but this is I mean, I can't pass this up. This is a beauty. Getting handed some cake here this morning. Oh, don't get ganky with me.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the tide.
Oh.
Order canceled. Order.
Okay, few sellers.
Double delta NQ on the
Order
2.
submitted.
Some more sellers.
Fib dot NQ on
Drop
the 2.
it. Come on.
Order
Drop it.
filled.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 5s.
Drop it. Oh. Oh.
Fib.NQ on the 5.
Might get stopped out here.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Oh
on the
my
twos.
word! Oh, I gotta add.
Order
That's it.
filled.
That is just too perfect. Okay, let me
Order
add another
RTY
stop
on the
here. There we
Order
go.
canceled. Order submitted.
We've got double power dot after double delta, king timing after. Oh yeah, come on, drop it. Drop
Fib dot.
it.
Nasdaq on the twos.
I'm in
Fib.RTY
four
on the
now,
2.
full position. Got to keep it tight. Risk low, but there's a high
Double delta NQ
chance
on
for
the 2.
reward here.
Look
We've
for a
got.
long.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
Uh-oh. NASDAQ is pushing up. Okay, finger over the close.
Enigma long on the
Don't know why
NQ2.
NASDAQ is pushing. All of a sudden it went green. Nice
Harmonic
little
NQ
spike
on
up
the two.
there.
Harmonic
YM,
NQ on the
RTY
2.
both dropping. I don't know. I'm going to try not to pay attention
Harmonic
to
pattern. Nasdaq
NQ
on
out of the corner of
fives.
my eye. Alright, I'm going to take one off right here.
Target filled.
Didn't get filled.
Order sub.
Harmonic NQ
Alright,
on
filled.
the 5.
Target one.
Order filled.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on
Uh-oh,
the
we
twos.
got blue dot. Okay, so we might be accumulating here.
Order submitted.
Taking off.
AlgoBox underscore NFO said
Fib
it is
dot.
10 to
Na-
10:30
harmonic
time.
pattern. Nasdaq
Coffee
on the
time.
twos.
Sit on hands.
Alright, coffee time coming up.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on. Fib dot.
Dropping it. Dropping it.
Fib.NQ
Dropping
on
it.
the 2.
Short.
Fib dot.
Order
Fib
filled.
dot. Fib dot.
Oh my word.
Fib.NQ
Alright,
on the
I'm closing
2.
it.
Fib.NQ
I don't know what
on
happened
the
right there,
2.
but I'm not
Harmonic
going
RTY
doubles
on the 2.
against doubles.
Harmonic E on the 2.
That's trouble.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Okay,
Fib.E on the
and
two.
we are
Harmonic E
coming
on the 3.
into
Long
coffee
on the
time,
ES1.
so I am. Oh, are you joking me? You joking? The breakthrough at 10. All right, so 4 trades in there. Technically, we've
Double
got
delta
a
and
few more
Q1.
minutes here.
Order.
Alpha
Target
Omega
filled.
up
Target
RTY on the
filled.
4.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
Target filled. Order filled.
So, oh man, NQ just put in a juicy power headshot over there, but I'm not taking
Fib.E on
NASDAQ
the
today.
2. Harmonic NQ on the 2. Harmonic E
I'm
on
gonna
the
have
2.
to put some more into the account here first.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
Wish it would have broke through that blue dot a little bit faster earlier. Maybe I would have held. Scared me out right there. 1, I can handle. 2, no. I guess I could have added that red dot though, technically. I could have held on to it. Shouldn't have been so chicken.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Target filled.
Okay, that means we got a double cross somewhere. Double cross is coming in on the YM. Up top.
Short.
Double cross.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
And a shift.
Harmonic pattern. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the fives.
Alright, I gotta take a shot at it. I'm gonna get my stops right back here behind the crosses. Let's push out and let's give ourselves an F8.
Fib dot.
Pretty far down there. Stops behind the crosses. Could reverse here. It's a pretty big delta. Might shift here.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
There we go. Give me that drop.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Come
Fib dot.
on, go.
Nasdaq on the 5s.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Drop it.
Long. Look for a long.
Fib.NQ on the 5.
Don't wreck
Harmonic
me.
NQ on the 2.
Drop it.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Fib.RTY on the 2.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 5s.
We're on medium timing. It could definitely pop up here.
Double Delta NQ on the 2.
Let me hear some sellers. Come on, sellers. Come on. Where are you? Did I hear the Kaleo song just come on? Come on, break it.
Fib.RTY on the 2.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
I need to stop this song. This one is copyrighted and they'll end up making it so that I can't even have this this video next. Okay. Take that one off my list. Oh, here we go, baby.
NQ2.
I hear some sellers. Pop up a little bit so I can add, just pop up a little bit. Okay, I'm adding to position here.
Look for a short.
All right, come on. Drop it.
Order filled.
All right,
Harmonic
take
beam
one
on
off
the
here
2.
at King Timing. All right, I'm taking one off.
Target
And
filled.
close one.
Nasdaq on the 2s.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why didn't that close? Okay, there we go.
Long. Look for
I
a
took
long.
one off here at King Timing. Let's see if we can get all the way to the gold line.
Order.
I got my finger on the close if it turns. If it turns right on the goal line, I'm gonna close it, but if it pushes it, let's go.
Double Delta NQ on the 2.
Delta
Push
cell
it,
building.
push it, hit me. Hit me. Get it! Oh my, come on!
Delta cell building.
Get it! I'm closing it. Can't risk it, it'll probably pop yet. I ain't doing it, ain't doing it, ain't doing it!
NQ on the 5.
Ain't.
Double Delta NQ on the 2.
Gonna get me
Order filled.
today, my friend. Get you some!
NQ on the 5. Fib.NQ on the 9.
Order filled.
Alright, where's my cool little target field thingy?
Order.
There it
order
is.
filled.
Fib
Get
dot.
you some.
Nasdaq on the 2s. Fib dot.
Target.
Nasdaq. Fib dot.
Advanced touch
Nasdaq
NQ
target.
on the 24.
Fifth trade.
Order canceled.
And are
Order
we 5 for
canceled.
5?
Nasdaq on the 2s.
Pretty sure that was 5 for 5. Excellent. Great way to start off the old trading contest there. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it a
Fib.RTY
lot.
on the 2.
Fib dot. Nasdaq
Holy
on the 2s.
shnikes. Where's my camera thingy, my bobber? Cheers to all you Chris's. All right, it is officially coffee time. What's the stream time here? Stream time 56 minutes, right there at an hour.
Delta cell building.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 5s.
Beautimus. I'm pretty sure
Order
we had
filled.
0 loss here. I don't even think we hit
NQ on the
1 stop. Maybe what's today? 6th.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 24.
100%.
Double Delta NQ on the 2.
Candy day, market giving us the easy stuff. We got another double cross, double move. Again, my favorite
Upper
trades.
bands touch
Holy
NQ on the
shnikes.
24.
I love them. I absolutely love them.
Fib dot. Nasdaq
The one that just
on the
came in
2s.
right now, that double cross, is
Fib
over
dot
here
RTY
on the
on the
NASDAQ. Again, not something we're looking at right now.
Order
Fib dot.
filled.
But soon,
NASDAQ
look at
on the
this,
2s.
23.85. I mean, minus commissions. Commissions are 81 bucks so far,
Fib.NQ on
and
the 5.
23.85.
Harmonic path.
You know,
Delta,
once we get to
Delta,
2,500, technically we can throw in Nasdaq. So who knows? Maybe tomorrow or Thursday. It's weird. Today feels like a Monday, but it is after Independence Day, so we're coming back in. Now remember, check your calendar. We are running right
Target.
into earnings season here. So if you guys have your Econo Day calendar, everybody's wondering like why I'm not trading right now. So this is our sit on hands time. So 10:10, 10:30, like don't trade. And we're 5 trades in. I've got my bonus trade. Again, if you are following along and you know about our paper stuff, how do we do this? Okay, so how do we do this? Paper style, 5 trades plus 1. We're well up on the day. We can definitely do a bonus trade.
Nasdaq on
So
the 2.
Bands
at
touch NQ on the 24.
10:30, 11-ish, I will look for a beast mode trade here. Again, we're in competition right now. I want to really push it. If you got your 2021 economic calendar from Econo Day, we've got a link in our Discord chat for where that is. This has all of the planned events that are finance and market related. Some things are not going to be on there, but most of it is. So we've got earnings coming up over like the next 3 weeks. So great time. Super excited about kind of going ahead and doing the contest even right now because of the extra volatility that I think we're going to get. So VIX up, ticks up. That should help here, and it looks like we're already getting some of that.